What are we doing today, Kenay?
Nothing.
Huh? Who are we?
No one.
We're no one. But I thought we had a name.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you positive?
Uh-huh.
Dude, are you sure we don't have a name?
Uh-huh.
You were announcing it yesterday. Who are we?
I don't know.
What does my shirt say?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Why is it now that when the camera's on, suddenly you don't want to announce anything?
I don't know.
You're not going to tell the people that we're Dream on Wheels?
I can't. No.
Really? You don't know that?
No.
Really?
No.
Wow, are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Are you positive?
Uh-huh.
Do you know where we're at?
No.
You don't?
No.
No. I thought we're at the zoo.
Oh, well.
Oh.
We were at LeBron James.
Wow. So hi, Dreamers. So we're at the zoo today in Houston. Kenay last night had decided that he wanted to start doing announcements, but today he's suddenly shy when the camera's on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take you all out with us today. Enjoy this little walk and everything else we're doing. Wait, did I just hear complaining already?
Yeah.
We haven't even gotten inside. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a fun day.
Hey,
Stick around.
I think there's more editing to do.
Well, I mean, there's not that much editing to do.
I have everything in my backpack.
You got the keys, yo.
Yeah.
She's got our way home. Say hi, Brooklyn.
Hi.
Y'all see her in the chats all the time.
If the zombie apocalypse comes, I'm driving myself.
Look at this. Constant construction. Galapagos Islands coming autumn 2022. Nope, not doing it. Okay, so now that the picture part is done, did we even think about grabbing the map? Because I don't even remember which way is what. So I guess we're just gonna... Cool. Somebody go grab one. Look, boom. So you all get to see this map. Christian, grab grab one.
It says only one person. I'm the map.
Come on. The map checker.
Me.
Oh God, we're in trouble. Can't take these boys anywhere. So where are we going? Half of it is not ripped that bad. Hugging the wall.
Oh my God, is somebody down there?
I'm not letting go. Like just chilling. This is boring.
What's the point? Look at that one.
He's hugging the wall.
Yep. Oh, he says letting go.
Wow, I love this area. I have my ways to go back home with my phone. Guys!
That's good.
Where?
It's a big giant koi pond.
I'm not touching it.
What is that?
Koi. Say hi.
Oh, there's another one.
Look, there's a whole bunch of them. Say hi.
That's a bunch.
The messed up part, hey, Penny, you know what's messed up? Because I have the 9, I just want to take it and sit it under the water.
Would you do it?
It's waterproof, I can.
You cannot.
What if it eats your camera?
That one keeps opening its mouth.
I think I got food. Look, I think I got food. No food. at that one. Hey. They can't lead me too far.
Oh, there's a butt. They're all over.
Yeah, it's a really big pond.
Yep. Now the weird thing is, it's dirty water. They should have clean water.
This is the dirty pond that I joked about throwing you all in if you all were to misbehave.
No.
Yeah.
You ain't throwing us in here. Because I can't swim.
It's only like to your knee. It's not very deep at all. Because koi don't like it but like 16 inches normally at most. So it's only up to your knees. But it's so dirty that you can't see the bottom.
And stinky.
Oh, are you getting steps or something?
Ooh, glad he reminded me. Step counts. Into the reptiles. Now, my favorite.
That's a big one.
Had one.
Yeah, we had one. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
I can't see the...
She was 16 foot when I got rid of her. So she was almost that long.
Me and Junior held her. I want to pet it.
They're very sweet.
Look at that.
Remember at Emma's, we went to the zoo like this.
So cute.
Yep, green pit viper.
Are they
Gorgeous.
mean?
Honestly, yes.
Where's the other?
It's poisonous.
Where's this one?
Like their
It's a
heart.
bush
Oh,
viper.
there it is.
Where you got it? Right there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Like their heart can find.
And
Got
then
it.
it's
Well,
back
there's
there.
two in here. There's an eyelash viper, which is right up there.
Yep. And then there's one down there.
And then you got the Mexican jumping viper back in there. So in here is a
down there.
rattlesnake.
Rattlesnakes
there.
are very dangerous. And then over
We got a
here.
lance-headed rattlesnake.
Oh, that one's way out.
Right there.
It says, I want to show
Let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got.
And down here we have.
Got a skink in here somewhere.
Here. There it is.
Oh, there it is. Hiding in the log, just chilling.
Yep. Where's this one?
Got an
There it is.
Arizona black rattlesnake.
And then over here we have it hiding over there. Behind the tree. It says, nope, not today, folks.
The nameplate is actually missing. So I'm actually not sure
Oh, there's
which that is.
turtles.
So we got a tortoise.
Look, there's three.
And should be a lizard up in here too.
There's the quick.
Should be a spiny-tailed lizard hiding in here somewhere.
He's right here.
But those are Egyptian tortoises.
I found this one, I found it. It's behind the trees.
Oh.
I'm not sure where the lizard is. What we got in here?
What's over here?
Ah, a mountain pit viper. It's big. It's over here. There's a couple of them in here. Look at there.
Holy moly.
Daddy, they're running off. Everybody's running off.
That one recently came out the water. It's alright. Right there.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Daddy, what happened to your snake?
Rat snake. Everglades rat snake.
Ugh.
Mongolian python. Hi over there.
Look at the froggy. The froggy.
A Western
Got a
diamond.
Western diamondback rattlesnake.
Local MBA. That's a frog, right?
So these should be
Right
yeah, like frogs and stuff. There's one right there.
1, 2, 3.
It's right there. Tree frog. Back on the back, there's quite a few of them actually. On the back wall.
I seen the frog back there.
I seen it too.
Wow.
What we got? So we got Texas rat snakes,
This one's so pretty.
canebrake rattlesnake, and a copperhead. All up in here. Yeah, I'm getting there, baby.
It's pretty. I like this one.
Of course you do. What did we miss over here? Ah, a gaboon viper.
What is
Look
that
how
one?
fat they are. They are so gorgeous.
That
I
one's
love these.
scary.
Absolutely love these. They're just so big and fat and flat.
It's like one of them snakes. in
Little
the-
rock rattlesnake. Cute little sucker.
And then, wow, that one blends
Speckled rattlesnake.
Right in the pool.
in. Right there and right there.
Aruba Island rattlesnake. I'm gonna switch this over to linear view here. Beautiful cottonmouth.
Uh-huh. That one.
There you go. Get y'all a little bit better view. Local water snakes.
I don't know.
Gulf Coast ribbon snake.
Oh, I didn't do that.
Right up there.
Look,
By the way, if you don't like snakes, you shouldn't be watching right now.
that one looks so nice.
Noslet cobra. Oh, I wish you would be flared up and pissed off.
Look. It's a giraffe.
Black mamba and the West African green mamba.
There's one.
Now, I used to actually have one of those. The green mamba.
Oh, gosh, that
And
one
here's
bad.
the other one.
That one bad.
Oh, it's hiding. There it goes.
And then the other one's hiding in there.
Gotta love this building. Gila monster.
What's over here?
Be down in there.
Daddy, what's over
Green tortoise.
Green tortoise?
Santa Catalina rattlesnake. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, I want that snaky.
Bearded dragon.
Bearded dragon. If you don't know this one, I don't know you. I know.
I want one. I want
We had hundreds at one point. Years ago. Leaf-tailed gecko. Where are you hiding? There's the cricket. Now where's the gecko? Leaf-tailed gecko. Can you find the leaf-tailed gecko? If you see the leaf-tailed gecko before I do, leave a comment down below. Oh, looky there. There it is.
I see nothing over here.
This one is right here hiding. Right there. Rally's palm pit viper. Ooh, where are you hiding?
That's what I was saying. I cannot.
Right here in your face. Has its back to you. Emerald alligator lizard. Well, once again, here's the crickets. That's the easy find.
I couldn't find it.
That's because it's right there.
Seriously. Found
See
it.
it? So silly. Gotta love when they don't find them.
That's the one.
Boleyn's python.
Everybody cannot find it. Oh, found it. That was way too good.
It's getting ready to shed. Oh, here's another retic. It was hiding on the backside. I knew there used to be two of them. There we go.
Whoa. Hello there. Now that's just pretty.
There's a crocodile.
What we got?
There is a dwarf crocodile.
Oh, green tree python. Had one of those. Now what we got up in here?
Crocodile.
African dwarf crocodile.
African dwarf crocodile.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
That's as big as our alligator was when we got rid of it.